Blender, awesome tool to redefine your architectural imagination. Just stuff in CAD, get them in DXF file and import it. You can, as you can see it in yellow lines. Then start erecting volumes with Cube. Then start working on your imagination with erecting blocks of different height. This particular project is nearly 600,000 square feet. This is how I started, creating concepts and looking at it from the top, bottom, and from different camera perspectives. And it's really amazing. And this particular thing, like zooming it from bird's eye view and going into different spaces from the top into the open plaza, which is covered in my first sketch, had to be removed so as to have people get more space in hot and humid climate. It's amazing. I think it's high time everyone switches into Blender and create this story, architectural imagination story, and get happy and be content with what you can do with the tools that you have with Blender. Bye bye.